Today we're going to be talking about the
Harry Potter makeup.
by Colourpop.
Colourpop.
As you see, I don't really have a lot of makeup on, so Ryder's going to be doing my makeup here. But we have the whole collection. We have like Super Shock highlight, velvet lipsticks, which are cool. We have eyeliner. This is like lip balm, but it's all like really cool packaging.
I'll do Mama.
Okay, so this was my favorite right here, which is the palette, and it's beautiful.
Do Mama makeup.
Absolutely beautiful. Okay, go ahead. Which one do you want to do on Mama? Which one do you like? That one's very pretty. That's actually the prettiest one. So that one is the one she picked. Okay, go ahead, Rye. I'll let you go ahead. What do you think? Very pretty. Wow. I love that.
What one now?
Okay. Which one?
What one?
This one. Okay. Go ahead.
Who's walking?
Okay, because it's clear. So this is like a lip balm. There's no color to it. So if you want to do an actual color.
Pink. Pink.
Pink?
Yeah, pink. Flashy eye, pink, cut.
Okay. They're so cute.
do
And
Mama
Ryder's
makeup.
going to pick which one? Harry Potter?
What one?
Hermione. Ooh, that's pretty, Ryder. Do you like the Hermione? They're really concentrating. You're good at makeup. It's pretty. It's really pretty.
Mama.
Want to try the highlighter?
Highlighter.
Show the different highlighters. These are the 3. So which one did you like?
What?
Which one?
What one?
That one.
Oh,
Oh, you want to open this. Okay. Wow.
I do Mama makeup.
Okay. Really get in there. Good. Okay. Good. You know the cheeks. Good job, Ryder. Getting good here. It works better with the finger. I think it works. Looks good. Okay, we'll try that. Better?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Pick which one?
What one?
The red one. Perfect. Okay, get that. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a red sparkly on the eye, okay? Ooh, I love that, Ryder. Makeup. Oh, the lips too?
What one?
The blue. Hold that. Now go ahead. No, on the eye. Eye. You can do the lips. Okay, go ahead. Just going for it, as you could tell. But they're really great. They're pigmented. On the eye. There you go. Okay. She wants to try the green liner now. And these are really cute. They're like very cool. They're like little wands. There you go.
Do what one? Mama PD.
Thank you, Ryder. So Ryder did my makeup with the Harry Potter stuff, and it's actually really great. The eyeliners are absolutely amazing. They're pigmented and it's super cool, and I love the whole collection.
Thank you.